Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an income tax nil return. Filing a nil return is a straightforward process for individuals who had no taxable income during the financial period. It's crucial to understand that even with zero income, you might still have a filing obligation. This ensures compliance with tax regulations and avoids potential penalties. We'll walk through the easy steps to complete and submit your nil return efficiently, saving you time and effort. To determine if you can file a nil return, first confirm you had absolutely no income from employment, business, or investments. This also means you aren't claiming any tax deductions or credits. Before starting, have your personal identification details and tax identification number readily available. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick filing process, typically taking less than 15 minutes to complete online. It's a simple way to meet your tax duties. Filing your nil return online is quite simple. Begin by logging into your country's official tax authority portal using your credentials. Navigate to the income tax filing section and select the appropriate assessment period. Look for the option to declare a nil return or zero income. Carefully review all the pre-filled or entered information to ensure accuracy. This final check is vital before you proceed to the submission stage, preventing any errors. Once you've successfully submitted your nil return, you will receive an official acknowledgement. It's extremely important to save this confirmation, either by printing it or storing it digitally. This document serves as proof of your compliance with tax regulations. Additionally, retain any supporting documents, even if they show zero income, for a minimum of 6 years. This practice ensures you have a complete record should any questions arise in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.